Hey, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Power Lead System income proof and results for the week. I've been with Power Lead System since 2015, April 2015, so I've been with it just a little over 3 years now, and I didn't really start using this program for the compensation plan. I didn't really start marketing it until late September 2017, and ever since I decided to start doing that, because before what I was doing, I was using the tools, I was using the training, and those tools and training can be used for any business, any service, any product, which is really cool because it helps you get more leads, more sales for whatever it is you are doing. But it also has a very phenomenal compensation plan, and I decided to tap into that, get serious about it in September of 2017, late September 2017, and I went on to create a full-time income within a few months with this program. And I've been earning a full-time income ever since. I've been sharing my results ever since. So I have many videos. You check those out on paulgfarmer.com. But what I'm going to be doing today is sharing my results for the previous week. I'm going to be going over some of the different resources we have as a team and how we can help you create a full-time income online within a few months as well. So go ahead and stay tuned, and I'm going to go ahead and show you my proof of results. All right, guys, so I want to start off with sharing with you one of the bonuses, okay? So one of the bonuses is you're going to get access to my private group, okay? Now, in my private group, I go over basically what I do to create a full-time income online within a few months, and I break down exactly what I do on a daily basis in this group. So you're basically getting an ongoing training every single day, because I go live 5 days a week, sometimes more, and I share what I do on a daily basis with you. I answer your questions, so if you have questions, you're free to ask your questions, and I will answer those live as well, or on an upcoming training. And I also share the resources, whatever I use, whatever I learn, I share in this group. So this is really like my inner circle. This is really where I really break things down and really do what I can to help you. Obviously, this is not done for me. This is being done for you to help you, because I know what it's like. When I first started online, I struggled really bad because I didn't have this kind of a community. I didn't have this kind of a resource to plug into. I didn't have a sponsor that was going to go and walk me through step by step what to do. And I could just go plug into a live training, ask my questions, and really learn what I needed to learn to get the results I wanted to get. So if you like that, go ahead and click the link right below and go ahead and get started and become a member of my team. And just follow the directions, and we'll get you in this group, so you can start learning right away and start getting results. Now, I just want to go ahead and start sharing my results so you can see what's going on. And then stay tuned to the very end, because I'm going to share even more resources we have as a team, not just my resources, but as a team to help you win as well. And actually, we have just a teaser, a 90-day blitz going on right now. 90 days of training, step by step, exactly what to do. Live training where you can ask your questions as well. So honestly, you got it covered. If you want to create a full-time income online, if you just want to create any income online, we have it covered for you. So without further ado, let's just get right into this. Let me jump over here to Power Lead System, the back office, okay? So here I am in my back office, and one of the things you notice is everything is green. Now, I'm going to come back to that, but just understand that it's super important if you want to make the most money. But I'm going to come back to that in just a minute. What I'm going to do is going to jump over, and we're going to get right into the commissions earned. And this is for the week. Now, so for this week, the week started over on Sunday. Saturday night's the end, and then Sunday it starts over. So I'm at $580 right now, just for this week. And most of this is coming from my team, guys. Most of this is coming from my team, because the way this compensation plan is set up, there's a lot of leverage in this compensation plan. So that number will definitely go up as more of my sales start coming in as well and more of my team sales come in. Usually I end up about 1,500 to 2,000, even 2,500, even 3,000, even more than that sometimes. But this is pretty consistent, as you're going to see. So I'm just going to jump to last week's results, and last week's results were 1825. 1825. Oops. It's loading right now. 1825. Okay, so let's just break this down. We have residual income. Okay, this is the residual income, and that's like for $700. And you get 50% matching bonus. So you get $20 and 50% matching bonus on anything your team earns. So whatever they earn at the gold level, which is the first level, you're going to earn 50% matching bonus. So if they earn $1,000, you get 500, 2,000, you get 1,000, and you didn't do anything. And just imagine if you have a number of those people doing the same thing, that can really add up quick. The free ad secrets, you get $100 a sale on these, and this I had $1,000 in. Social Profit Academy, this is the $400 commission. I didn't have any of those, and I still ended up making $1,825. So I think that's pretty solid, even though I didn't have the big sales, because the big sales are this one. This is the one that takes you to the $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 weeks, is this big one here. And that's going to take me to what I wanted to talk about. So let's see here. I'm just going to break down the levels for you so you can understand what is involved. So basically, if you want to get to where I'm at, you need to purchase all the products. It's super important to do that. And so the very first product you're going to purchase is the gold. The gold is $53.97, okay, a month. It's a monthly payment. It is your only monthly payment. Everything else is a one-time payment. So your business expense, of course, you're going to have marketing and other things because it is a business, right? It's something that you need to run. But your business expense is $53.97. That's it, $53.97. When you first start, you're going to want to get a domain. You can go to GoDaddy. You can purchase one in Power Lead System for just $12.99. And then the gold pays you $20 monthly. Plus, like I said, you get that 50% match. Now, there's also pass-up sales, like roll-up sales. You keep your odd sales. Okay, so first, third, fifth, seventh. You keep those sales, but your even sales are going to go up to your sponsor. Now, after your first 10 sales, now you're going to keep every fifth sale. You're going to keep every fourth pass up your fifth. Now, this really starts benefiting you when you start building out a team because you start getting those pass-ups every single day. They come in every single day. And remember, one thing I want to make sure you understand is anybody you bring into your team, even if it's a pass-up to your sponsor, you're still going to earn that 50%. So you're not really losing them. You're still earning 50% off of whatever they earn at that gold level. So the other levels, we have the diamond level. Okay, and that's a 147. And what this is traffic training, how to do co-op, and it pays you $100. Plus, there's a 25% bonus. So what this means is every sale you make $100. Okay, there are roll-ups just like the golds, same exact idea, follows the same exact plan. You keep your odds, you pass up your evens. After 10 sales, you keep 4, you pass up your fifth. This really starts adding up, especially when your team is passing up sales to you. That really starts adding up. That's how I was able to do $1,000 in diamond commissions. Plus you make, let's say your team has a diamond sale, like they have that level. They have the diamond, the free ad secrets level. They make a sale for $147. They make $100. And you would get the 25 because you have diamond. Now, if you don't have diamond, it's going to pass up to whoever does. So it's really important that you position yourself to make the most money. And to be in my group and to be part of our blitz, you want to be a diamond member. Okay, so that means you're gold and you're diamond. Not just diamond, you're gold. You have to be gold. And finally, the last upgrade is the platinum level, or the Social Profit Academy is also what it's called. And that is a $497 one-time payment, and that pays you $400 each sale. And there are no pass-ups on this one. There are no pass-ups, so you keep the $400 every time. Now, if your team gets one of these, you're going to earn $50. Okay, just because they earned it. If they have it, you earn $50. If they don't have it, that $400 is going to roll up to you. So as you can see, there's a lot of leverage built into this comp plan, and it's definitely going to start snowballing. You're really going to start creating some nice income, a full-time income, within not too long. So that's the basics when it comes to the compensation plan. Let me just jump back over here. That's really about all I wanted to cover today. There's all kinds of training in Power Lead System. But before I wrap it up, I just want to let you know that we have more resources than what I actually showed at the beginning. At the beginning, I just showed what I provide. But our team has much more to offer. So to start it off with, I'm just going to jump over here. Our team name is Freedom Takers. The main reason we call ourselves Freedom Takers is because we want you to take your freedom back. Take your freedom back, meaning take your time back. Do what you want to do instead of having to go and do something for someone else, right? Maybe you want to spend more time with your family. Maybe you want to go on vacation. Maybe you want to go to the park, the beach, the movies. I don't know what you want to do with your time. Maybe you want to give back. Maybe you want to spend time volunteering. I don't know, but you have an option to do so when you're making more money. Okay, when you don't have to go to a 9 to 5 every day, when you don't have to sit in traffic every day, when you don't have to wake up to an alarm clock. And this is possible. This is possible. So right now, here is our Diamond and Platinum Blitz group, our 90-day Blitz group. This is what I was talking about at the very beginning. And what's great about this is we have live training going on most of the days of the week. I think it's like 4 days a week that training's going on. Live training. You come on. You can ask your questions. It's interactive. And this is step by step exactly what to do to build your business. So there's really no way you can walk away from this not knowing what to do. And if you're not sure, you can ask your questions. So this is provided as a bonus for anybody that decides to start with Diamond or Platinum. Okay, so if you're a Diamond or Platinum member, I just went over the numbers, what it costs to do that. It's amazing. I mean, it's amazing that this is actually, there's no cost to this. You just position yourself best in your business and you get access to this. Okay, so you position yourself to make the most. Obviously, a Platinum, you're going to make the most, but if you position yourself a Diamond, you're going to get access to this group and my group, DB Freedom Project VIP, just so you know when you join with me. Join with someone else, you're not going to get access to my group, obviously. Okay, now, we're not done. I'm going to jump over here, and this one is for our Platinum members, and we've done all kinds of training in this group as well. There's all kinds of resources as well. It's just taking a minute to load here. There's a really cool resource in here that allows you to add friends on Facebook very easily, almost on autopilot. Almost on autopilot. It takes like literally 30 seconds to do, maybe a minute. And you've added so many friends and, new people to connect with and things like that. But there's quality training in here. And, this is open to people that are very serious about creating a full-time income, right? They're serious. And they purchased all the products, gold, diamond, platinum. So, and then we have our main group, which is over 3,000 members now. And this group has training as well. But the main thing with this group is it's social proof. It provides social proof to your prospects, and it's just taking a minute to load here. And so here we are, social proof to your prospects and training, and I mean just everything is in here. People love this group because we're always sharing results in this group throughout the day, all day, sharing results. Let me see if I can show you some of these. So here we have someone sharing that they got a gold member, okay, Pandora, and you're going to see a number of people in here that are getting great results. I should also let you know that we have a traffic source. We have a traffic co-op within this group, and it's very affordable traffic. It's tier 1 traffic, which is what you want, and it's only about 45 cents a click, which if you go and you look around, that's very affordable for tier 1 traffic and for traffic that actually does convert to sales. So we have that going on within the group. You find that in the files section. And there we go. There's someone's talking about the co-op right there. We have all kinds of results being shown. Gold. And here's someone that Fidel here, $500 in one day. So this is just you know, a great group to be a part of. So you can see the results people are getting. It's very supportive, very helpful. Everybody's very nice, you know. John here, $900 morning. So you can see that the proof is in the pudding. This absolutely works. It's not just me. There are many, many people in our group that are having great success following the training we provide and using the simple system. And the last thing I want to share with you is, so what do? How do you get this? How do you earn like this, right? Well, basically what we do is we use a funnel, a done for you. It's about an 80% done for you funnel. And this is an example. We use a capture page. Okay. So we have training on how to set up the funnel. It's very simple. If you can't do that, we do have a service where you can get it set up for you, but it's really quite simple to set up. And once you set it up, here's the page. People are going to come to this page or enter their email. Once they enter their email into the page, they're going to go to another page, which is called a sales page. And that sales page is going to do the telling and selling for you, walk you through the process, and then it will go to sending out emails on your behalf. And that's pretty much a funnel. Now, the rest of it is you need to follow up. So these are the steps. You get your funnel set up. You get traffic. We have our co-op traffic. We teach free strategies as well. Everything is covered. And then you follow up, and we teach that as well, how to follow up. Okay, so and you just rinse and repeat and do this over and over and over, and it just works. Okay, so that's all I got right now. This is running really slow for me, so I can't show you the next page. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. If you like what you see and you want to get started, go ahead and click the link right below this video and go ahead and get started. You want to get the training, the 90-day blitz. You want to get into my group, DB Freedom Project VIP. Make sure you get started at minimum diamond. If you want to go full-time quick rather than slow, slower, then make sure that you purchase all the products and you are positioned to make the most money, and you'll get access to everything. Okay, so with that, make it a great day, and I'll see you next time.